James Miller 2006 Real Case. In the quiet glow of the setting sun on a warm summer evening in 2006, the luxury cruise ship Royal Majesty sliced through the Caribbean's waters, carrying hundreds of passengers who had come seeking peace, adventure, and a break from their lives back home. Among them was James Miller, a 36-year-old electrician from the United Kingdom, UK, vacationing with his wife Diana and enjoying the dream trip they had saved for over a year. James was a devoted husband and a father of two young children. He was the kind of man who always had a laugh ready, a strong work ethic, and an unalienable charm. The couple had joined the cruise for a second honeymoon, hoping to rekindle romance and create fresh memories in the middle of the open sea. James was a devoted husband and a father of two young children. He was the kind of man who always had a laugh ready, a strong work ethic, and an un. But what began a dream soon turned into a living nightmare. On the night of May 5, 2006, James and Diana attend a formal dinner enjoying the music, the cocktails, and the company of new friends they had met abroad. Everything seemed perfect until later that night when James stepped outside to get some fresh air. According to reports, he was last seen on a surveillance camera around 2 a.m. walking along the deck alone, and then he vanished. No one saw him fall, no alarm was sounded. The next morning, Diana woke up alone in their cabin. At first, she thought James had gone for a walk or grabbed breakfast early. But as minutes turned into hours and no sign of James appeared, panic took hold. The ship's crew was alerted, a search was initiated, and announcements were made. But it was too late. The vessel had continued sailing through the night, and the vast ocean had already swallowed whatever clues remained. Security footage, when reviewed, offered little more than speculation. James had simply walked toward the railing and never returned. Had he fallen? Slipped? Jumped? Or was there something more sinister to play? The United States Coast Guard was notified, and an aerial and sea search was launched in the area where James was believed to have disappeared. But no trace of him was ever found. Not a shoe, not a life vest, not a body. The case of James Miller became another haunting entry in the growing list of man overboard cruise ship mysteries. No foul play was officially determined, but for Diana and their children back home, life was never the same. She returned to the UK with nothing but questions and a hollow space where her husband once stood. To this day, the story of James Miller serves as a chilling reminder that even in places built for a joy and escape, the sea keeps its secrets deep and silent. The case of James Miller became another haunting entry in the growing list of man overboard cruise ship mysteries. No foul play was